Hey, this is Cgaga 60 Seconds Daily Tips. Subscribe to make your daily life easier. Today's tips. Shoes are easy to get sticky in the summer. How to stop shoes from smelling? Easy. Mix alcohol and water. Saturating tissue paper with mixed alcohol and covering it on the insole. Alcohol can kill odor-causing bacteria and get rid of the smell. You can also put some charcoals into the shoebox to remove shoe odor. Peeling degrades clothes comfort and beauty. How to remove clothes peeling? Your electric shaver can do it well. Spreading your clothes on the table, using the electric shaver against the clothes carefully. The electric shaver can also collect tiny hairs and dusts from the clothes. Remove them peeling when it's small, otherwise it gets hard to remove big ones. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more tips.